bell, so you'll be one of the first persons to know whenever we drop a new video. Now let's take it straight up to the main news. Oga Tinubu, this one where you talk so na big lie. Permanent voters card not dey expire. This one now wetin the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) tell Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You still there here with us for DJM TV Daily News Update. The national chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) don tell Nigeria people say make una forget wetin Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey tell una say permanent voters card get expiring date. Say that one, they don't know where im for bring that one come. Say all those claims when they make so INEC no dey aware of am, and say for the benefit of doubt, dem go like reassure Nigerians say permanent voters card no dey expire. The former governor of Lagos State wey don talk say im life ambition na to become president of Nigeria. For inside one video, don tell everybody, tell all his supporters, even tell market women make dem carry their family members, make dem go register for permanent voters card again, sake of say the one wey you get e don expire. No be say e go expire o, e say e don expire. Say dem fit no even tell you sef, say but the thing e don expire. May not be like say I just talk my own word. Make we see the video of how it take talk am.
Take one family member, two family members, knock on all doors, and make sure that that new registration, because they may not announce to you on time, the PVC you have has expired. Yes. Yes. You need to spread it around in various local government wards and levels, no matter how difficult it is. To me, I look at it closely, and you look at other elections being held, you see that it's diminishing because those cards expire, and they think it's mandatory that you go and register and able to vote and achieve your aspirations. May God bless you and bless Nigeria.
We still here together for DJM TV Daily News Update. That's your one-stop channel where they give you everything news and just way share inside Nigeria and all over the world. If you just join us, you never to miss anything. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. So what we just bring to you be say the former governor of Lagos State and one presidential hopeful, Bola Ahmed Tinubu from Lagos State, of course, don't talk say make everybody carry their family members go register again for permanent voters card, sake of say the one where you get it don't expire. It talk you somewhere be like say women leaders of the All Progressive Congress, they come visit them for inside Abuja. He cut all of them say make they go do their permanent voters card though. For inside the video what we just watched, he talk say INEC no go announce am on time, say the permanent voters card where you get it don't expire. So you suppose carry one or two family members, call everybody, make they go do the new registration, sake of say they fit not announce am on time, but the PVC where you get it don't expire. Now because of this one, the chief technical advisor to the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Professor Bola De Enyila, come as I call to say for inside one ogbonge press release, say permanent voters card not dey expire. It dey remain valid for all elections unless of course probably they change the pattern of the card or something, or unless you get the temporary voters card, which of course you no go fit use for inside card reader. He talk this one wey be like say e dey address news people, sake of say wetin Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk. For inside the statement, he say make Nigerians forget am, say all those ones say make Nigeria go re-register again for permanent voters card. Say it no make sense at all. Say that information wey Bola Ahmed Tinubu give, e no dey correct. Say the PVC wey they give you, e still dey very valid because e still dey the voters registered and you go fit use am. He say this kind of like say Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk now, so e no good. Say because e go come make people wey dey eligible to vote, they'll come we go register again. E go come be double registration, and maybe sometimes the system fit not detect am. You understand? So you go come dey create that problem of multiple registration. Before you know, one person go get more than one voters card wey go dey very very valid. Also one ogbonge oga for inside the INEC don talk say those wey get permanent voters card they no need to register again. Say he need to remind them say double registration for INEC na offence under the Nigerian constitution. The oga wey talk this one na the chief press secretary to the INEC chairman Rotimi Oyekami. He talk say if you register more than once and your name appear more than once say they go fit jail you. Say because the permanent voters card wey they give everybody e dey very very permanent, sake of say once your name don appear for the national register of voters e go dey there permanently. He say one of the very few instances wey be like say they fit remove person name from the voters register na when strong and verifiable proof dey say the person wey get the name e don kick bucket comot for the life, so e no dey again. Na e go make dem remove im name from the permanent voters register. We still dey here together for DJM TV Daily News Update, that channel where they give you ogbonge story as it take the chele. Make not forget to like this video, share this video, and of course make you subscribe to this channel. So kasala don burst after Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk say
take one family member, two family members, knock on all doors and make sure that that new registration, because they may not announce to you on time, the PVC you have has expired. Yes. Yes. You need to spread it around in various local government wards and level. No matter how difficult it is. To me, I look at it closely, and you look at other elections being held, you see that it's diminishing because those cards expire, and they think it's mandatory that you go and register in able to vote and achieve your aspirations. May God bless you and bless Nigeria.
As INEC people don't come as I call blast am now say oga that thing wey you talk e no correct. The guy don't come as I call apologize say he dey very very sorry for wetin he talk. He say abeg make Nigeria people and INEC make dem not vex. He say na very wrong statement, say na oversight, he forget not wetin he wan talk be that. For inside his statement of apology, Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu say on Tuesday night for Abuja, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu granted audience to one delegation of women wey come from Lagos and across the country to attend the All Progressive Congress Women Conference. And while they talk to the women to check the status of their voting card and mobilize supporters to vote, he could mistakenly use the word expire instead of stating say they fit update the card. And immediately upon this one, na make her dey apologize for the incorrect statement and any confusion when e be like say his statement go don cause. He come even thank INEC well for the way they work tirelessly to make sure say the election dey free and fair. So na that my country people, Oga Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come as I come beg say abeg make una no vex for wetin I talk in case it don cause one or two confusion for inside people head, no be wetin I mean to talk. But country people don talk say you sure say na wetin you wan tell us be that abi you just dey find way like say people take register double so that the thing go favour you for inside the election. Plenty country people don chook mouth for the matter, but for this matter wey we carry come like this, so e go good if you sef chook mouth inside the matter and you drop your thoughts and comment concerning wetin you think about this first statement and the apology for inside the comment section for button. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end of this video. But before we go, we just want to let you know that we're also on Facebook and on Instagram at DJMTV. Also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. There we drop news 247 non-stop. Do not forget that you could also place your advert with us here on DJMTV News and be rest assured that your business will get to the desired market. Well, so we'll come your way again with another edition of DJMTV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Laura Favor. Yeah.
DJ Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.